President Donald Trump an underdog? That is very difficult to tell. But, ladies and gentlemen, this is not very good news. As you can see, Digital World Acquisition Corporation is down 5.78% during normal trading, and after hours, it has gone down by a tiny little bit, but all the same, it has gone down further. Also, if you look at the number of shares of this company, of this SPAC that traded today, you have 1.4 million compared to an average volume of about 6 million. So, what does this tell you about Digital World Acquisition Corporation, which should be merging with Trump Media and Technology Group? Well, it's very hard to judge from the outside, but if you put feelers out there, you will see that more and more articles are coming out about Digital World Acquisition Corporation, and to me, to my untrained eye, what that tells me is that something is brewing underneath the ground, what we're seeing. So an article just came out again today, and what it says is that downloads of Truth Social, which is Donald Trump's crown jewel in the Trump Media and Technology Group, it says 95% of that downloads have dropped down by 95%. If you remember correctly, when that app launched, it shot to number one in the App Store, and it was ever so popular. And just now, after a couple of weeks, when the number of downloads has reduced, that article was written just a couple of hours ago, and it says that downloads have dropped 95%. However, Truth Social is growing. Initially, they had a wait list, so you download the app, and then they got you on a waiting list, and then progressively they allowed people onto the platform. I don't have numbers, so I don't know like how many people are actually using the app, but I know it's in conservative circles, it's very popular. And also you have people, liberals, who are on there just to see what the app is all about. And it's a true testament to free speech when you get on that platform, because you see people on both sides of the aisle discussing current issues. At times the debates might seem a bit heated, but then again, it's what freedom of speech brings. President Donald Trump on there has about, I think, 820,000 followers, and his son Eric Trump joined the platform, and within the past 48 hours he has been able to get about 120,000 followers. So the platform is quite active, lots of people on there, lots of debates. It's very vibrant, and instead of criticizing, if you have your reasons for not wanting to join that conservative platform, I would at least invite you, take a peek, take a look, see what it's all about, for there is always two sides to a coin. And you make your judgment, be your own judge. Don't listen to what I tell you. You get on there, take a look. If you like what you see, good and fine. If you don't like it, jump right out, and then you can actually be objective in judging whether it's a good platform that fosters freedom of speech. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you that Digital World Acquisition Corporation is down today 5.78%. And then with the number of articles I see coming out in the press, I suspect that something is brewing. And then the last thing I want to share with you is that the feds are considering changing the rules of the game. So the Security and Exchange Commission is looking into taking away some of the favorable aspects which allowed companies to get on the stock market by being acquired by a SPAC. That is a special purpose acquisition company like Digital World Acquisition Corporation. So when all of those advantages are taken away, it becomes more complicated. So if you combine one and one, you start seeing that something is a brew and something is working. The wheels seem to be working to make it a little bit more difficult for business transactions like the one that the Trump Media and Technology Group is looking to execute. It will just become much more complicated and takes away all the advantages that it would have had compared to a traditional IPO. Thanks for watching, guys. My analysis is just what is coming off the top of my head. I haven't done any serious research into this. Again, be careful if you are putting money in the stock market, because you stand a very good chance of losing that money. Don't quote me. Do your own due diligence and be very careful once more where you invest your money. There's a real chance you could lose that money. Seek the help of a financial consultant, of a financial advisor. Thank you so much for watching, and let's keep a close watch on what happens with President Donald Trump and the Digital World Acquisition Corporation.